Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the Hotech spatula set. This is a 5-piece food grade silicone set of spatulas. It's supposed to be 100% silicone. So the first one, these come in a couple different colors. You get multicolors, red or all black. We went for the black ones to just match everything a lot better. So does appear to be all silicone and food grade silicone, so it has you can dishwasher safe, BPA free. You can put it up to, like, I think silicone's resistant up to almost like 500 or 600 degrees, so it's pretty good. So it has a nice rounded edge here for bowls, and then another kind of a squared edge for corners and stuff. So I like that it has both sides like that. Easier to get frosting out or batter or whatever you have. Sometimes if you have a pan and you're trying to get out the round part, you can't really do it because it has that little corner edge, but with the corner you can get it out. So I like that feature. So there's one, and this comes a total of 5 altogether. Got this off of Amazon. It was $10.99. all right, so here is another one, and this one is kind of like a spoon spatula too. It's got both ends are rounded here, and it's got a good grip to it. It's, like I said, it's all silicone, so it's easy to hold on to, and should be nice and quiet. It's not going to damage your pans when you're scraping or whatever. Here is another one. It's basically like a spreader, or you could use it for, sorry, these have just like a little bit of the residue there from I haven't washed these or anything yet. Getting peanut butter out of a container, or spreading butter, or different things like that. So that's kind of handy. And here is a little one if you don't need a big one. And the final one is another little spoon, or kind of a spoon ladle spatula. So definitely a handy set to have for a kitchen. Like you don't want to damage your cookware with metal scraper or anything like that, or risk doing that, I guess. So definitely handy for all kinds of things: cooking, cleaning, and stuff like that. So I'm running out of words here, so this is coming to the end of the video. I am an Amazon associate, so I do get some kickbacks if you guys click on the link below where this is. I got this for $10.99 on Amazon, so if you guys want to check that out, you can check out the link below, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.